Hi everyone, my name is Priyank Patel. I'm working as a Senior WordPress Engineer at Multidots. Today in this video, we are going to talk about how to migrate your site from AEM to WordPress. And for that, first and foremost step would be to back up your site on AEM. So let's talk about it. So this is a documentation and it is well prepared documentation from the Adobe Experience Manager only. So here it shows the steps of how to take a backup. So these are all the steps like how you can take a backup. So you need to go to tools, operation and backup after logging into your EM site as an administrator, where you can create backups from this button. And you need to follow some steps like what will be the installation directory, target path and delays. You can skip these two, target path and delay, if you want. But after you are done with the backup, you will be able to see the backup under this backup menu. So as you can see, there is only one backup available and it is showing over here. Now, there is also another method called offline backup, which will be done by the technical guys, I can say. So you can, if you are a technical guy, you can follow this backup steps as well. So if you guys are ready, or whenever, if you are wanted us to do the migration process and you are ready to create a user for us, so in that case what we will do is we will log in as an administrator via the user that you have created, and we will do all this process by ourselves, so you don't need to worry about it. But if there are some security parameters, we will guide you about the process, like how to take a backup. And also we need to add this type of crx package. As you can see, if we need to grab the database, or we need to grab the exported file in proper format like XML format, then we need to add this CRX package manager. So what it will do is it will allow us to export the files in XML format, which will be easy for us to migrate from the AEM site to WordPress. So then onwards, what we will do is we will migrate, or we will map the XML files content with the WordPress terminology. And then in the script, in the WP CLI script, when we will run it, it will go through all the XML files and it will import all the data into WordPress, whether it is a user or it is a taxonomy or post, and if it is a metadata of any of these things. So this is how a migration process is going to work. Please reach out to us if you have any doubts. Thank you.